Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. I decided to bring my Nitro T-Maxx out today. It's the Nitro truck. I'm gonna flip you around here in a minute and show you what all I've done to it. I've had this truck a long time. It's full of upgrades. I don't drive it too often. It's a big pain in the butt, but it's a lot of fun. Anyway guys, I'm up here at the school where I do a lot of my FPV videos. You guys have seen me fly up here before. I decided to come up here with the Nitro truck, and I've figured out how to connect my Insta360 Go and my GoPro to the truck at the same time. And I got my ramp back there too, but I'm probably gonna start out up here on the pavement. I want to test the GoPros on the truck and then the Insta360 Go on the truck and just try it out and get some different footage and see what it looks like. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it and maybe I'll have some fun. Anyway guys, I got the T-Maxx out here. It's a Nitro truck. It's got a lot of upgrades. Let me flip you around and show you what all I've done to it. So this is my T-Maxx, guys. When I got it, it was nothing but a roller. And it didn't have no engine or nothing. It's originally a 2.5R T-Maxx. So that means it's a smaller, lighter frame. And it's just more compact and it don't have near as much weight. And I have put the 3.3 motor on there, so it's way overpowered, and I've got upgraded all metal shocks on it. This is probably the best upgrade that added the most power. It's a dual chamber tuned pipe, and the old pipe come out over here and went down the side and come out over here, and it would get stuff all over the tire. This one puts the exhaust out the back, and it has dual pipes, and it's tuned and everything, so it adds some power. I got an upgraded brushless servo. I just put a brand new pinion gear on there. It's full of gas and I think it's ready to go, guys. It's all charged up and everything. So enough of me rambling on. Let's go jump this thing and get some Insta360 Go footage and some GoPro footage here on the pavement and see what this thing's all about. Here we go. All right guys, here we go. Alright guys, here comes that Insta360 footage. Let's check it out. thing is awesome, guys. I love this little truck. That killed it. Landed on the GoPro too. Oh, I guess I broke it, guys. I guess it's broke. It's like full throttle and it won't go nowhere, so I guess it's broken. That's gonna do it. That's the end of the video. I had a blast with this little truck today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Take it home, see what's wrong with it, and get it ready for another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys.